Find the following integral. It's mostly what we have been doing, but we're gonna keep doing it anyway. So, solution. X to the 5 dx plus, take the constant out, and 3x dx minus 3 x squared dx plus 5 dx. Now all we have here is just the power rule here. PR, all of it is mostly power rule. So we don't have to worry about many things like natural logs or exponential functions. So here we have the integral of 5x to the 5 is 6 over x to the power of 6 over 6 plus 8 x to the power of 4 over 4 minus 3 x to the power of 3 over 3 plus 5x plus c. Now you can just clean it up here by 2, 3, by 2, 1. So we have x to the power of 6 over 3 plus by 4, 1 by 4, 2. So we have 2 x to the power of 4 plus minus 3 by 3 is 1. So x to the power of 3 plus 5x plus c is your answer. Thanks for your time.